What's up, everybody? Today we're here to talk about some of the best beaches on the island of Oahu. I was born and raised on the island of Oahu, and I still live here today, but I've been to all the beaches on the island pretty much, and this is a list of 15 of my favorite beaches to visit. This is all my drone footage, by the way. So in this video, we're going to cover some of the best beaches, some of the best places to go snorkeling, some of the best places to go surfing, some of the best places to watch competitions, and much more. So instead of talking about it, we're just going to dive right in. Starting off with the beach that is one of my favorite beaches, a place where I grew up as a kid, and my family still has a house like 5 minutes from this beach. So spent a lot of time here growing up as a kid. It is one of the best beaches by far on the whole island of Oahu, and definitely on the North Shore. One of the reasons I love this beach is because there's just so much to do over here. And in the summertime, it looks like a giant swimming pool where everybody goes to what's called the Jump Rock, this giant like 30-foot tall rock at its peak. And everybody just takes turns jumping off of this thing and seeing what they can do, how many flips they can do and stuff like that. And so in the summer, it's flat like a lake, but in the winter, the waves get huge, like some of the biggest you'll find around the world. So there's always something to do and see at this place. In the wintertime, don't expect to get in the water because it's just giant surf and the lifeguards won't even let you in the water. Next up on the list is Sharks Cove, which is really close to Waimea Bay, and this is hands down the best place to go snorkeling on the island of Oahu. A lot of people will tell you that it's at Hanauma Bay, but Hanauma Bay used to, I feel like 20 years ago, before sunscreen like destroyed the place and overcrowding. Now, if you want to go to a place where the water is really beautiful and you want to see a lot of fish, I would highly recommend going snorkeling at Sharks Cove. There's something for everyone over here. In the middle, there's more like these giant tide pools where you can go with little kids and hang out. If you're more experienced, you can actually go snorkeling or diving on the right side of the beach. And this is also an amazing place to watch the sunset. Next up on the list is Pipeline and Backdoor, and this is hands down one of the best waves in the world and also one of the best waves for spectators to watch, just simply because you are so close to the beach and it's so much action packed. It's also one of the most dangerous waves in the world that has killed more people than any other surf spot because the reef is so shallow. Unfortunately, if you're coming in the summer months, it'll be as flat as a lake, but if you do show up in the winter time, you have a high chance of seeing an amazing swell over there, and you can't miss it if you're on the North Shore. There's 3 competitions that run from December to February. You can watch some of the best surfers in the world out there in the water. It's also an amazing place to watch the sunset at the end of the day. Number 4 on the list is Sunset Beach, and this giant white sand beach has very little rocks and is just a great place to go with your family, a great place to teach kids how to swim. You've probably noticed by now that in the wintertime, the North Shore is just not a good place to go swimming. It's more of a place for surfing, but in the summertime, it's flat like a lake and it's beautiful and probably one of the best places in the world for you to enjoy the ocean and the beach. Every 4th of July, hundreds of people come to Sunset Beach to paddle all the way to Waimea Bay. It's a pretty awesome sight to see. Number 5 on the list is Ali'i Beach Park, also known as Haleiwa Beach Park, and this is another contest venue that is a great place for people to go and learn how to surf. Little kids learn how to surf here, adults alike. Here's a clip I got of John Florence, 2-time world champion surfer from the North Shore of Oahu out at Haleiwa. Haleiwa is also home to the only boat harbor on the North Shore, and this will be the place that you go if you're going on like a shark dive or dolphin tour, sunset sail, whale watching, anything like that will go out from the Haleiwa boat harbor. Number 6 on the list is Mokuli'i Island, also known as Chinaman's Hat. It's located about a half a mile offshore of East Oahu and inside the Kaneohe Bay. In order to get there, you'll have to get a paddleboard or a canoe of some sort and paddle around to the backside of the island where you'll find a little beach where you can leave your kayak and explore the area. And if you're feeling up to it, you can actually take like a 20 to 30 minute hike to the top of the island where you'll get an incredible view of the east side of Oahu. Number 7 on the list is Lanikai Beach, also located on the east side of Oahu in a small town called Kailua. Is this beautiful beach known for its white sand and blue turquoise water. The name Lanikai means heavenly sea, and it's the perfect name for such an amazing beach. Lanikai Beach has also been voted best beach in the world. From Lanikai Beach, you'll enjoy a breathtaking view of the Mokulua Islands, adding to the scenic charm of the area. If you're pretty comfortable with the ocean, you can actually rent a kayak and paddle out to the Mokulua Islands. However, you can only land on the island on the left that has a beach. And on the right swell direction, there's actually a little wave that breaks off the island. I would highly recommend doing this, and very few tourists actually do this when they come to Oahu. When you get out to the island, your chances of seeing a monk seal are really high too. Just be sure to give them their space. Look at this beach. It is beautiful. And with that being said, it gets crowded, so show up early. There's not that much parking. The residential neighborhood gets really congested, and you'll end up driving around the block over and over if you don't get there early. But it is one of the best places to watch a sunrise, so that gives you a little more incentive to get there early. Headed over to number 8 on our list is Kailua Beach. And this giant white sand beach is a great beach to take your family. It's also a place where a lot of local people just go for a walk in the morning or the evening. Kailua Beach is really known for its kite surfing and windsurfing, but there's actually this flat island offshore that has a surf spot as well. Number 9 on the list is Waimanalo Beach. Situated on the eastern side of Oahu, it is known for its long stretch of pristine shoreline and scenic beauty. Waimanalo Beach is home to one of Oahu's longest white sand beaches, providing a spacious and serene environment. If you're looking to escape the crowds, then Waimanalo Beach is a great place to visit. There's also a bunch of ironwood trees lining the beach that provides shade for beachgoers. Number 10 on the list is Makapu'u Beach. Located on the southeastern tip of Oahu, it is known for its scenic beauty and unique features. Overlooking the beach is the iconic Makapu'u Point Lighthouse. While the lighthouse itself is not on the beach, the hike to the viewpoint offers a panoramic view of the coastline and the Pacific Ocean. Makapu'u Beach is known for its powerful waves, making it a popular spot for bodyboarding and body surfing. This beach is also a great spot for whale watching. Waikiki isn't just a destination, it's an experience. With its golden sands, clear waters, and Diamond Head as the backdrop, there is so much to do and see here. I'd highly recommend trying to do a surf lesson. Waikiki is the birthplace of modern surfing, and whether you're catching your first wave or you're a seasoned pro, these gentle waves are perfect for all levels. Waikiki is also a vibrant hub with numerous shops, restaurants, and entertainment options along Kalakaua Avenue, providing a lively atmosphere both day and night. Waikiki is also one of the best places to watch a sunset on Oahu. If you're looking for something fun to do other than sit on the beach for sunset, then jump on one of the many booze cruises, and I can assure you'll have a blast. Number 12 on the list is the Hilton Hawaiian Village Lagoon. Although it is a man-made lagoon with an artificial beach, it's across from the Pacific Ocean and the real beach. And I just think it's a really cool place to go with your family or to get some unique Instagram photos. You can assure that it'll be calm inside of the lagoon. It's a safe place for kids to go swim. Number 13 on the list is Magic Island, and this unique little hidden gem, located in the heart of Honolulu, this is a great place to escape the crowds that you'll find in Waikiki. Headed over to the west side of Oahu, this is the less visited side of the island where most tourists don't even get to. Starting off at Makua Beach, this is one of my favorite beaches, and personally I think this is one of the most beautiful beaches on all of Oahu. Makua Beach offers a unique blend of natural beauty and outdoor activities, making it a destination for those seeking a more off-the-beaten-path Hawaiian experience. Close to the beach, there's actually these really cool, unique hidden tide pools. You can also hike up to the Makua Cave that'll give you a great view of the whole coastline. Number 15 and last on our list is Makaha Beach. While winter waves can be intense, during the summer months, Makaha Beach offers calmer conditions suitable for families, swimming, and snorkeling. This is also a great place to see the dolphins, and there's a number of tours that you can book to go out and see them. Makaha Beach, and basically anywhere on the west side of Oahu, is a great place to watch the sunset. As we conclude our journey exploring the best beaches of Oahu, remember that this island paradise offers a beach for every taste. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more island adventures, and share your favorite Oahu beaches in the comments below. Until next time, aloha and mahalo for watching.